If you're not using video, you are missing out on a massive opportunity to engage and attract members. Now today I'm revealing my top 5 tips to make video editing super easy. You don't need to be a tech expert or have fancy gear to get started. Stick around and I will show you the tools and tricks that will help you master video editing and create amazing videos with ease. Hi, I'm Anna from Club Reach Marketing, part of DigiSpark Media. Whether you're running a gymnastics club or theatre group or karate class or a yoga club, video marketing can be a game changer. And the best part, you can do it all with just your smartphone and some really simple free tools. Let's jump in. First, why video marketing is so powerful. Videos are super engaging. They grab attention and keep people watching. Stay there, stay. You can reach a bigger audience. Share this. Since videos are easy to share on social media. Now videos also help build trust because people get to see the real faces and activities behind your club. Yeah, it takes time to edit and produce videos, but with the right tools, it is actually pretty quick now. You might need some basic skills, but modern tools are really user-friendly, so it has never been better. So now we know why video marketing is awesome, let's talk about the different types of video marketing strategies that you could use. Now you've got promotional videos. Introduce your club to new members with a mix of action shots, interviews and testimonials. Highlight key events and share success stories to attract new members. Tutorials and how-tos. These are perfect for clubs offering classes or workshops. Show what goes on behind the scenes. This can build a connection with your audience by giving them a peek into your club's daily life. All right, now you're inspired. Let's move on to my top 5 tips for making video editing super easy. Number 1, use your smartphone. You don't need fancy gear to get started. A good smartphone can work wonders. Make sure just to keep your shots steady and well lit, and you'd be surprised how professional your videos can actually look with just a bit of care. And remember, no one ever said, wow, that was a great shaky video, except if they were watching Blair Witch Project. Number 2, Canva video editor. It's got a new video editor which is perfect for beginners. It comes with templates that make the editing process super simple. Just drag and drop your footage, add a little bit of music and you're done. It's like video editing on easy mode. Number 3, CapCut. Now CapCut is fantastic for quick and easy edits on your phone. It's user friendly and has all the basic tools that you need, like trimming, adding music and inserting text, or just get a template and just drag and drop. And it's free, so it is perfect for clubs on a budget. You can even add fun effects. Just don't go overboard and turn your club video into a sci-fi movie, unless that's what you're aiming for. Number 4, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate things. Focus on clear, steady shots and good audio. You don't need tons of special effects, just simple, clean videos often perform best because they are easy to watch and understand. Number 5, plan your content. Before you start filming, take a moment to plan your content. Think about your goals. Are you trying to attract new members or engage current ones, or maybe even promote an event? Outline your key messages and sketch out a simple storyboard. A little planning goes a long way to avoid a video that is all over the place. Now that you have your tips, let's walk through how to get started with video marketing. Now, as we said before, to start with, you need to define your goals. What are you aiming to achieve with your videos? Whether it's attracting new members, engaging current ones, or as I said, promoting an event. If you have your clear goals, it will guide your content creation. Otherwise, you'll just end up taking pictures of things that you like. 2, you want to gather your tools. A good smartphone, maybe a tripod, and a microphone if you can, work wonders. You can always invest in better equipment as you get more comfortable. 3, shooting your video. Keep your shots steady and well lit. Clear audio is quite crucial, so make sure your microphone, even if it's just on your phone, is working properly. It's better to have more footage than you need and then edit it down later. Number 4, your editing. Use beginner-friendly video editing software like CapCut or iMovie or Canva's video editor. And then you can just trim unnecessary parts, add music, and include text overlays if needed. Editing doesn't have to be scary. It can actually be really creative and fun. Number 5, sharing your video. Upload it to platforms like YouTube or Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok if you want to go that way. And write engaging captions and use relevant hashtags to increase visibility. Number 6, monitor and adjust. Track the performance of your videos. Look at metrics like views or engagement and shares. Use this data to refine your strategy and improve future videos. Let's quickly cover some pitfalls to avoid so that you don't make the same mistakes that I did when I first started. Now, number 1, poor quality. Avoid shaky, dark or noisy videos. If the quality is poor, viewers are likely to switch off. Number 2, overcomplication. Keep your videos simple and to the point. Don't try to cram too much information into one video. Number 3, inconsistency. Post regularly to keep your audience engaged. Consistency is key in building a loyal following. Now let's look at some of the stats and best strategies for different types of clubs. So, gymnastics clubs. You've got tutorial videos which perform exceptionally well for these particular type of clubs. Instructional content gets 2.4 times more engagement than promotional videos in this particular niche. Now, theatre groups, behind the scenes videos for this one are a hit for theatre groups. They create a sense of connection and anticipation. Viewers love seeing the preparation and hard work that goes into a production. Now, things like karate clubs, you've got your event highlights, competition reels. These tend to attract new members a lot more. Showcasing action-packed moments can inspire viewers to join your club. Now it's your turn. Start trying these video tips out and watch your engagement soar. If you've got any questions or need any more tips, drop me a comment below and make sure to join our Facebook community for more discussions and support from fellow club leaders and loads of marketing tips. Let's make your club the talk of the town. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to DigiSpark Media for more digital marketing tips and tricks for your club. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye bye.